I think the benefit is in how are these integrated as part of a ritual or routine for over a long period of time, rather than am I feeling good when I take this substance?
I am wondering if you think psychedelics are really for everyone.
So I think a lot of it, they can be beneficial for, I wouldn't say everyone, but by and large for most people. So there are people who are predisposed to, for example, schizophrenia or bipolar disorder or certain
Mm.
personality disorders that should not be doing psychedelics. But I find if there's proper attention paid to the preparation process of why am I interested in this? What's my intention with going into this experience? And then there's a safe container created for the experience itself, whether it's microdosing or higher doses. And there's some level of integration. So talking to a coach or a therapist afterwards, I see that more as this is how we can help this experience become
Mm.
beneficial. Now, beneficial is not necessarily tied to feeling good. In many cases, psychedelic experiences will actually be very difficult or very challenging because it will bring up things or make us more aware of things that maybe we've ignored or repressed or haven't fully looked at. So I think the benefit is in how are these integrated as part of a ritual or routine for over a long period of time, rather than am I feeling good when I take this substance? I think
Mm.
the feeling good is a more hedonistic element that could be tied more to MDMA potentially, whereas with psychedelics, it's more about the awareness that we come to and working with those things about, like, for example, if you felt more exhausted or tired, well, if you had done LSD and you had drank a couple coffees that day and you were fairly maybe tired because you've been busy at work or whatever else, then you could feel exhausted because of that. So then my recommendation would have been, well, maybe look at psilocybin mushrooms, take a full week off and do, a moderate to high dose when you've had a full week off. So you have that space in that container. So I think that's why it's so critical that education is provided, because if a person is going to find some sort of mid to long-term benefit from psychedelics, it's critical that they prepare appropriately, that they have the experience that's right for them, and then they integrate that experience.